Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video which is about how to fix if guided access is not working in your iPhone and you are unable to use guided access in your iPhone. So guys, here I will show you how can you easily fix it. Watch this video till the end to fix it. So for that you will have to simply open your guided access in your device, and from here you will have to simply turn off guided access for one time, and then you will have to simply restart your device for one time. So guys, simply restart your device by pressing and releasing the volume up button and then down, and keep holding the power button until your device restarts. So I restart your device and again open up your guided access in your settings, and from here simply turn on guided access and check if the guided access is now working or not. So as if it is still not working, then go for the other solution, that is you will have to update your software to the latest version. So as for that, open up your settings and then tap on general, and from here tap on software update and update your software to the latest version and check if the problem is fixed or not, or if the guided access is working or not. So if you are still facing this problem, then go for the other solution, that is you will have to reset all settings in your device. So for that, open up your general section in your device, and from here scroll it below and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, and from here tap on reset and tap on reset all settings. So let's give here your passcode for your iPhone and reset all settings of your device, and after this check if the guided access is working or not. So hopefully after all these solutions the guided access will be working in your device. So I thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.